National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Forsyth County, northwestern Guilford County, until 5:30 p.m. At 4:50 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Enon, or 8 miles west of Winston-Salem, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Greensboro, Winston-Salem, High Point, Kernersville, Clements, Bermuda Run, Louisville, Summerfield, Stokesdale, and Walkertown. Straight line winds can blow down trees, power lines, and damage mobile homes and other buildings. Seek shelter in a sturdy structure until the storm has passed. Stay away from windows as flying debris generated by damaging winds can be deadly. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina, Forsyth and Guilford.